Hello friends, I welcome you all to witness my presentation. Most precious gift in the world I got. You wanna curious? You want to know what it is? I also curious what this gift is. Am I the only person who got this gift? No. Already famous people also got this gift. But what this gift in it? Before see that, please wait 10 minutes. I will show you. Travel with me for 10 minutes. I would like to rewind my timeline 10 years back. 24/7 2010. What happened? My uncle filed FIR on behalf of me. Any wrong thing that I did? Let's see. I got accident. I got hospitalized. My dear friends, rib fracture, urinary bladder fracture, and multiple fracture in hip region. 4 days, what happened in my life? I don't know. It almost coma stage like that one. Please imagine. After 4 days, I just opened my eyes. My dear friends, I don't know what happened 4 days in my life. After that only I came to know that I got accident. I am in hospitalized. Then only I came to realize. 14 days I was in ICU, intensive care unit. Almost 1 month I was in hospital. Even though after I discharged from hospital, 3 months I was bedridden. Think about it. I even couldn't stand properly. I even couldn't walk properly. Those 3 months I depend on for even small things other persons. Almost 6 months it took to me to get the normal walking style. In those hard situations, my family members and my friends all are helped me. So only I came out of that situation, sorrow situation, and now I am in this situation. Friends, whenever we get setback in our life, we often forget that sorrow, happiness, not the different things. It is like they are both sides of the same coin. It is like this head and tail. If sorrow is the one side and head is the another side, isn't it? Dear friends, please understand how long this arrow is launched. It is depend upon how long it is pulled back, isn't it? Like that time frame, pendulum of the time frame, life frame, if it reaches one corner, one extreme point of the side, it indicates that as soon as it reaches one extreme point of one side, it has to start its journey, its travel to another opposite side very soon, isn't it? It is so. Dear friends, this is how I got this. Are you able to see me? Are you able to see this reward? Yeah, this is symbol of victory. So after that, I walked, I ran, and I participated in marathon. Not one single marathon, two of marathon I completed. See here, whenever I am wearing this jersey, I feel so happy because of this only. I will say proudly, this is symbol of victory. Dear friends, whenever setbacks happen, we think like that. Who am I? Why I came here? Why this life for me? Like that. Am I body? Am I mind? Am I name Nagarajan? If so, after my death, how people will call me? How people will remember me? Just think about it. See the missile man. As soon as I say this word missile man, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam comes to our mind, isn't it? How we remember? Because of all his actions, right? All his actions. Missile man, he was president of India, isn't it? It's they tell each and every mail he got, he responses during that period because of actions. How should be our actions? See here, I got school first rank. எல்லா புகழும் இறைவனுக்கே. When A.R. Rahman got this Oscar award, what he says in Tamil, எல்லா புகழும் இறைவனுக்கே, which means in English, all praise goes to God. In Hindi, sabhi prashansa keval prabhu ke karan hai. I don't know Hindi. If it is wrong, please forgive me. So see friends, both these photos, this is ego oriented. I got school first rank. See, full of divine, isn't it? See his face. He dedicates whole effort to God. How I can get that mindset from this ego oriented? Simple. Whenever I get success, I am feeling very good. I am thinking I can do anything in the world. I am simply thinking even I can pull down sky and I can fold in my hand the whole sky, isn't it? I think. Simple fact, my dear friends. This heart in my body only, isn't it? Is whether outside? No. Heart is inside me. But whether I can control my heart, if I am saying stop it, whether it is stop, it is not stopping. It is not actioning because of my commands. Even though I am saying stop, I am not saying it is, don't bother about it, just it does whatever it does, isn't it? So how to get from action oriented mind to inaction? Purely he dedicates all his efforts to, he says எல்லா புகழும் இறைவனுக்கே, all praises goes to God. How to attain that mindset? By simply seeing non-action, and we have to realize non-action and come, we have to know the truth, right? Isn't it? Please observe the non-actions, so you will get truth. All birds sings, sun shines, birds fly, isn't it? Flowers bloom, all happens, it's in its own, it happens, it is in its own self. Then only am I only thinking I for all the things. Cannot I drop my ego? Cannot I drop a ego mind? How can I attain egoless state in action? By just observing the wrong actions. My dear friends, I will tell you the 4S, important S for life. First is show gratitude. Show gratitude. Thank you, God, to give you this wonderful life. We have good hands, good legs, good face, good body. We have this life itself, isn't it? We can achieve anything using this life. Please realize it. We don't have anything to lose, but we have this life to achieve anything, isn't it? Please realize it. Friends, smile please, because smile is the language of heart. Smile is the language of love, isn't it? Smile is the beautiful medicine in the world. It can cure a lot of problems. It can avoid, isn't it? Smile please. Dear friends, selflessly help others. Whatever help, even small things, please help others. That time only you will come to know some satisfaction. You can feel, isn't proved, it is proved already. Even though you are not in the position, you are not in the place, you cannot help. Please, my small request, friends, don't bother, don't make any bad things for the people. This is my kind request. Last thing, whenever we get setbacks, we lost hope in our life, in our God itself, right? Isn't it? My dear friends, don't lose hope. Hope God, because surrender to the God. Surrender to the God whenever setbacks happen, because all happening for some reasoning. It may be we don't know that knowledge to know what is the good thing in it, but all the things as its own good, even though we don't know. We may be in ignorance. We don't know, we don't have that much knowledge in us. My dear friends, Dr. Rajan, IITD Rajan says, when your plans failed, his plan starts. God plan starts. Whatever may be the good, it will be better. Whatever God gives you, it will be better. You even cannot imagine, isn't it? It will be the better one. My dear friends, it is like this. One drop is thinking it is different, and the whole ocean is different. When this drop will come to realize that it is the whole ocean itself, it is the part of the ocean itself, when it will come to know, it is like the Rumi saying, you are not a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. Please realize it, friends. Self realization is the most important realization in the world, in the need. If you cannot realize yourself, you cannot understand yourself, then what you will understand, what you will realize in your life? First, you have to understand yourself. First, you have to realize yourself. Why I am here, right? Even though you are not in the position of knowing as of now, just try to know. Start your journey towards it. Start your journey towards truth. My dear friends, this is the gift all famous people got, and I also got. And I can candidly say that you also have that gift in you, isn't it? You got me? It is itself. It is you itself. God has given this beautiful life for us. When we will come to know, when we will realize that one, see, beautiful spaces. Prakash Raj, how he is smiling. Surya, how he is smiling. So smile because God has gifted this life for us. Okay. See, all for your questions, all for your searching, you have the answers, isn't it? My dear friends, nobody is superior, nobody is inferior, but nobody is equal either. People are simply unique, incomparable. You are you, I am I. I think I got the answer for who am I question, isn't it? I am I. Simple. Make it simple, like Ajit said. My dear friends, for all your questions, you are the answers. You have the answers. Remain where you are, but begin the search within. It is like Aristotle told, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. With this quote, I would like to finish. Say thank you to your patience. 10 minutes you traveled with me. My dear friends, we will see in another session. Thank you so much for you all. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.